Hi, this is Trisha from Cube Her Way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the second layer of our 3x3 cube. Currently, we already have our first layer done. Be sure to check out the video on how to solve our white cross and how to solve our white corners. And now we have our second layer here to solve. So what you want to do is just go ahead and position the white to the bottom, and we are going to take a look at this top layer here. And what you want to look for are pieces that do not have yellow. So this one's a yellow piece. This one right here is a green and an orange. When you find that piece, you want to position it over its center. So in this case, it's already where we want it to be. And then we're going to pay attention to this color here. We're looking for orange. We have red on the left side, orange is here on the right. So this piece actually wants to go right here. So the series of moves that you'll want to remember for this step, if we want to bring it to the right, we need to move this top away. And then we are working on this right side here, and we are going to do a series of 4 moves. We've seen these moves before. We used it to help solve our white corners. For this right side, you are going to move it up, and then we are going to move our top layer to the left. And then we're going to bring this right side down and move our top layer back to the right. So that is the first step. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to take this corner and you'll need to move it to your left hand. And here we are going to do the left 4 moves. So we'll go up with the left. We're going to push this top to the right. We're going to bring our left side down, which you can see puts our piece in its position. So in this case, you don't have to do that last maneuver with the top, which you'll normally do with the left-handed move. So we have our side piece positioned where we want it. So now we are looking here at the top for a non-yellow piece. We have yellow, yellow, blue, yellow, orange, and we see that we have a red and blue piece. So we are going to look for our red center. So we'll go ahead and rotate that above our red center. We are looking at blue. We want to bring it to this left side here. So with our top piece, we actually need to push it away from the side that we want to. And then we are going to perform those 4 moves here on the left side. So we are going to go up with the left. We're going to push it to the right. And then we are going to go down with the left, and we are going to push the top to the left. So that is the first half of the maneuver. We need to take this corner, bring it over to the right hand here, and then we are going to perform our right moves. So we'll go up on the right, pushing the top to the left, down on the right. In this case, we don't have to finish our top rotation because we have positioned our piece. So now we are looking again at the top. We have yellow, we have a red and a green piece here. So let's go ahead and find that red center here. And it's green, we want it to go to the right, to the green side, so we are going to push that away. And then we are going to perform our right 4 moves, going up with the right, to the left with the top, down with the right, and then we are going to push that top to the right. So we are taking this corner, putting it in our left hand here, and then we are going to do the left moves where we go up with the left, pushing to the right. We'll go down with the left, and we have placed our piece. So now let's take a look. We have 1 more here. All of the yellow ones are actually here at the top. The piece that we need is here, but it is flipped. So we need to first take it out before we can place it where we want it. So similarly, we are going to replace this piece with this top piece here. So I'm just going to push it away, and then we'll do those right 4 moves, going up with the right, to the left with the top, down with the right, and then we'll push that top to the right. We'll take this corner into our left hand. We're going to go up, pushing the top to the right and then down. And so we have taken that piece out. So now we're looking at this orange and blue. We'll position it over the orange center here. Blue is here on the right, so now we need to reposition it there. So we'll push it away, and then we'll do those right 4 moves. We'll go up, pushing the top to the left, going down with the right, and then pushing that top back to the right, taking this corner into my left hand. We'll go up with the left, pushing the top to the right, down with the left, and we have our side piece solved. So now we can see that our bottom 2 layers are completely solved for each of the colors. Be sure to check out the next video on how to solve the yellow cross of our 3rd layer of our 3x3 cube.